Alrighty, y'all, that's just a roll of my Just Roll puff pastry covered in blueberries. Now I'm coming in with my grease shot glass and I'm gonna make an indentation into the center of each of our puff pastry pieces here. We are making a simple and delicious dessert today, utilizing some fresh ingredients for the spring. I think you all are really gonna like this. Now that I have an indent in all of these, I'm bringing in a bowl. To my bowl here, I'm gonna add about 10 ounces of sour cream. This is a 14-ounce package, so close to 2/3. That seems perfect. Now we've got 1 and 2 eggs. And I've just got some pure cane sugar here. And I'm just gonna do that to taste. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna get this whipped up. We are not done yet, but this is the next easy peasy step here to our delicious, delicious dessert today. This is so pretty. It's gonna look elegant on your table if you're having people over. I think they're really, really going to like this. And it's gonna be just such a perfect addition for spring. Alrighty, I'm gonna come in with some sweetened condensed milk here. I'm just gonna use my handy dandy little spatula to get that out quicker. This is just gonna give a little bit more thickness to our cream here, make this super tasty. Once it combines with those eggs, it's gonna go super well in the middle. I think that's just gonna help us get this a little better mixed up here. And then I'll show you what we're doing next. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside for a second. I've got some strawberries here. With my knife, we're gonna cut those into smaller pieces. But first, I wanna show you this really cool, helpful hack. Look, you can stick your strawberries right inside of a whisk, just like this. And then you just grab a knife and you can just cut these into smaller slices. And you make sure that your fingers aren't in the way and you're not getting hurt. Alrighty guys, now that we've got these diced, I'm just going to add those to my bowl of cream here. Perfect. And we'll just gently fold these in. This is gonna be so tasty, wow. All right, I'm bringing back in my muffin pan. I'm just gonna use my scoop, or you can use a spoon. I'm gonna place some of this cream right into the center of these puff pastries. We're making such a delicious treat, y'all. You could always do something like no-bake cheesecake in here if you prefer, but I thought I would give this a little try, a little something different. And you know what? Maybe use a jumbo muffin tin. Then you can have kind of bigger indents on these. That would be fantastic. Alrighty guys, we're just gonna pop this in our oven at 425 for about 25 minutes. Alrighty y'all, I let this cool. We actually went and played pickleball in the meantime. Look how good these look. Our berries, our custard. I'm really excited. I'm gonna do just a little touch of powdered sugar on top here. And I do try and mean a touch. Look at, that was good. It wasn't like all over one of them specifically. It was more in between them when I was pouring it. So I think that looks pretty good. Right, Marty?
Absolutely.
Okay. And then we'll just pop these little babies out with the puff pastry. Excellent. Plate it up here. Homemade custard, little bit of puff pastry. Super easy. All right. I think this is looking pretty good, guys. All right, moment of truth. Time to give this a try. Y'all, this is delicious. I like it. So easy, so good. You gotta try it.